Good morning. It is March 6th, 2023. And I put in a short yesterday. Yesterday evening, I put in a short way back here. But I didn't set a take profit. I was really playing for an RSI reset on the hourly because of the divergence it was showing. So this is showing some bearish divergence. Wow, my platform's really laggy. Let me see if I can close some windows here. Close that. Okay, that kind of helped. So anyway, yeah, I held through. It actually came down to 41, but I didn't have a take profit in mind. I was a little greedy, so I expected it to come to the downside even more. That was about 60 bucks or so that could have gotten out for it. Instead, now I'm holding it against me. I just woke up, so because the hourly reset, it could have another pump. It's 8:30 right now, so market just opened. And it's just even more bearish diversions. So I think we're just approaching a top here. 4 hours pretty blown off. Yeah, I would love to see bearish divergence on the 4 hour. That would be really nice. Because we need to come down to the bottom of these 4 hour bands. So I'll hold this short for now. And this might be a day or two short. We'll see. But my target, it's around 4K, or at least 425. 441 is just way, way too close. Ooh. My stuff is still a little choppy here. Let's see, what else can I close? Close this stuff. What else can I close? I didn't even check if there's any reports today. Let me see. Wow, it's so slow. Look how. I have a VM running, so I'm setting a checkpoint on it right now so I can close it. Okay, so let's see if we can get the hourly back down. Yeah, we're playing for at least 425, so that's what we gotta do. Okay, that helped quite a bit. So, yeah, watching the 1 minute. Good hedge on the NASDAQ, I guess. Next 1 minute dip, we can hedge. So let's wait to see if it pulls up. Looks like it will. 50 points on the table. Yeah. Wow. Had a chance to flip there once again. Decided not to take it. Being pretty ballsy today. Next 1 minute dip to the 38 RSI though, I will pick up a hedge on the NASDAQ. This thing might be going to 42. Let's see, where was the daily close from last week? Maybe that was its touch of it. Close was at 40.52, which we just touched, right? Yeah, more or less. That's what that was, it would seem. Okay, get a NASDAQ dip. Let's see if we can touch the 30 RSI. Pretty low. Probably gonna make one trade all day, honestly. Oh, I hope you guys spent your weekend well, though. We had a solid week. I think it was a green week. It was the strongest week I've had, I think, in quite a bit. We can review it real quick while we wait here. But yeah, so we actually made back all of our losses from March and from February. This was, well, just about. Yeah, I mean, this was the beginning of February here. So yeah, we're actually positive from beginning of February. Had a great day on Friday. Just kept seeing that same bullish pattern play out and kept adding or kept going for it. Kept going for decent 1 minute entries and actually started scaling quite a bit. Scaled up, I think, to 9 shares at one point. But yeah, you could see, first time I did it, I actually didn't hold very long, but it was very valuable to have sat through that. So you can see I had a short right here that I closed. That was an overnight short. Then I started scalping long, and I did it twice. First time was with 9 contracts, and the second time was with 3, I think. So 9 was probably extremely risky, and I also got out of them pretty quickly. But this was an old one. I could probably get rid of this one. Did I not take any others? Let's see. Okay, this is the last one, I think. Yeah, that looks right. So let me delete this one. Okay. And yeah, I left a decent note for it, but yeah, it was a pretty strong Friday for us. Good winners there. Still trying to make everything back from the beginning of the year. So yeah. Duty calls. I'll be right back. Oh, looks like we're about to get our 30 RSI touch. I'll let it play out. Okay. Oh, I should have added to it. Oh well. Didn't come down to the 30 RSI. It came down to about halfway to 50. Should be chop territory today. In this 4-hour bar from, what is it, from 9 to 12? No, from 5 to 9. Right, that's the one we're filling now. This definitely looks like bearish divergence though. So we're going to play for at least a 4-hour reset. Probably add to this if it goes up. And yeah, once we get an RSI touch on the 30, on the NASDAQ, we will hedge. So that is the plan. $100 would be 50 points, right? So could have this go against us another 40 points and still be okay. So yeah, pretty boring day. Let me check the reports real quick. Do we have anything on the calendar today? Factory orders at 10 o'clock Eastern, low trading impact. So nothing really. Let me check the earnings. No real big earnings this morning. Really light earnings day actually. So yeah, today's gonna be, I would think, chop. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We just closed a 15-minute bar. Pretty green. Little bit of bearish divergence, not much. Definitely worth trying though. Here's our 30 RSI dip on the NASDAQ. $65, that's a good spot. Let's see where it closes this minute. It's got another 30 seconds. Okay, it's dropping below 65. Let's see if we get a 50 touch. It's got to close this minute down here. 15 more seconds. Okay. Coming down under 50. Let's see if we get a 50 touch. No 50 touch. Okay, coming back down. Dip on the RSI. Let's see if we can get filled here. Okay, so we got long right over 50s on the NASDAQ as a hedge. This might be dangerous, we'll see. It's a good entry though. This is a hedge and a scalp. I'm basically looking for new highs here. getting comfortable under 50, it looks like. Just kind of a interesting situation. RSI of 30 though, so it should be a dip. A lot of divergence though on a lot of different time frames, bearish divergence. Especially the hourly. The hourly looks the best. It's starting to happen a little bit on the 4 hour. So we'll see where that takes us. Yeah, we're basically scalping this for at least a high. So about 50 points, honestly. Should be $100. Let's see what happens. Pretty boring day so far. It's probably going to be even more boring. Okay, there's a little pump. Never mind, no pump at all. Looks like it might continue dumping. Which is good for our E-mini short. Didn't want to add at 66, it's pretty close, so. Let's wait for NASDAQ push over 97s, and then we'll get out. Or at least a reset of the RSI. It looks like it's ready to dump. Hard to tell. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. 65s. Nice. Do we see? Okay, so this is a midpoint reset. Let's see if we can get the higher end RSI once again. So we need another 30 points. Probably want to get out. Where? Like 85s? It seems like it was a reset. Let's see. Yeah, very chop morning so far. Green 15, followed by an engulfing red 15. Still waiting for this to go up to new highs. Up at 12.4. 71s, looking pretty good. Big divergence on the RSI on the 5 though. Up to 75s. I think we get up to 85s at least here. 41s. $75. Should be holding out for more, honestly. Here's our 85s. Come on. It's really struggling up here. Still looking for a little peak on the RSI. It's almost peaking on the 1 minute. Let's wait until we hit 70 RSI to get out. So we just started a new minute. Nice. Yeah, I was gonna say, let me get out at like 81s. Well, the RSI hasn't peaked to 70 just yet. Looks like it'll touch now. Okay. Keep a stop here at 80, I guess, for $50. Alright, there's a $50 scalp. Got out a little early. Target was 85s. RSI is peaking. I guess it hasn't actually hit 70 yet. That was just a quick little scalpy scalp. Decent little profit. I'll stream for another 4 minutes and then I'll just ride this out for the rest of the day. I'm just going to be patient and wait for a 4-hour. Oh man, it doesn't even look like it's going to have the bearish div anymore. I'm going to wait for the 4-hour to reset basically. And that could be after hitting 41. So prepared to hold if I need to. Can hold this for at least a couple, maybe like even 100 points. We'll see. Got out at 80. Yeah, I could have held here. RSI is peaking over here at the 70 RSI on the 1 minute though, so not the greatest spot to be long. Almost would consider adding to the E-mini short, but we're just still really, really close to my entry. Okay, so yeah, that report's going to come out in 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. And we'll keep scalping NASDAQ long every time we hit the 30 RSI. Just to kind of act as a hedge. We might get caught in something though. Like if there's a big dump and we're long NASDAQ, could get caught. So it'll be tricky. Back down to 30 RSI. Let's see how deep we go. We're gonna wait until we get 30 RSI and then we'll buy again. So that's the plan. 45 is as low as we got. Halfway reset. Meh. 1 minute 30 until this report comes out. with low trading impacts. It's kind of bouncing off the midpoint. Trend doesn't seem up for now, it just seems sideways. Okay, report in 20 seconds. Dump on the 1 minute. The report just came out, so maybe the report's bad. Not sure. Let's wait for an RSI touch. Nothing yet. Snoresville. We get up to 85. Got up to 90. Cool. Bearish divergence on the 1 minute. Very slight. So I will buy another one down here. Probably it's going to be like 55s. I'm just going to put an order in at 55s to get long. Okay, RSI on the NASDAQ, we're approaching 30. Let's see if we can actually get it at 55s. We got another minute to close here. Let's see where this minute closes. Yeah, it almost looks like we're just straddling this price. Like we're just going to get closer and closer to 370. Still waiting for a little dump to 55s to get an RSI of 30. Doesn't look like it wants to. Come on, little guy. Get a little dip in. No dip. Really close though. 59, it's interesting. Oh man, today is so far pretty boring. guess the days are supposed to be boring, right? Trading is supposed to be boring, unfortunately. That was the dip? Ah, come on. It looks like it's just tightening, so we should see it top out before the actual top. It's still kind of working its way up, though, at least on the E-minis. A lot of bearish divs, though. Bearish div, bearish div. Over and over and over again. Oh man. Alright, well, kill the stream here. Once again, happy to have made back the month so well last week. Every day was green last week, so that was nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green days and a total of like 1,000 plus or something, so pretty solid performance last week. See if I can get that to, like, you know, just be in a rhythm for the rest of the year. That would be great, for the rest of my life. Okay. As far as the trading goes, I'm gonna wait for a proper dip before I get long. I mean, yeah, I could have gotten long 59s and be 20 points in the money now, almost. But I'm going to wait for a slightly deeper dip, and then I'll get another scalp long. So we'll see. Looks like I should just buy here, though, honestly, the way it's acting. Alright, let's wait for an RSI to 30 dip. Guys, I will fill you in tomorrow. This is really boring, so unless you're trading it, I think you should just go outside or go play, you know, with your friends or something. It's a very boring day. I'll hold this E-mini short. I'll probably up to 4,100, maybe even a little past it. So, yeah, that's how I'm playing that. And I'm going to hedge with the NASDAQ next time we get a dip on the 1 minute. So we had a decent scalp there. Should have entered again here at 60s. And we're actually really, really close to getting in there. So we'll see. Gonna wait for an RSI dip though. Okay guys, I will see you tomorrow morning, tomorrow's stream, and I'll have my performance in the account on Trade2Go here in a little bit. All right, later.